Welcome back to the ClearMoon Academy. I'm Nikolina, and today we will be talking about decentralized finance and its all-encompassing ecosystem. First, let us explain what decentralized finance or DeFi is. DeFi is a concept of a financial ecosystem living digitally on a shared infrastructure, wherein all of the typical financial services exist, such as borrowing, lending, and trading. DeFi operates on a completely public network that is accessible to anyone. Let's dive right into the categories of DeFi and explain them as we go. Asset tokenization is a very important aspect of DeFi in that it enables companies to dematerialize real-world assets and make them tradable on the blockchain, providing a user-friendly interface for asset management. Ultimately, through the digitalization of securities, they improve the accessibility to all types of investors. Not just wealthy, but anyone can buy assets in a decentralized marketplace. Next, we need to discuss compliance and identity standards in DeFi. Because there is no government regulation in DeFi, compliance and identity solutions are needed to implement rules and regulations on the blockchain. Standard BEP20 tokens do not provide this functionality. Therefore, compliance and identity protocols are imperative to enable the legal transfer of tokenized private market securities. One of the most popular DeFi protocols is liquidity mining or yield farming, better known as staking and farming. These are both mutually beneficial for token holders as well as protocol operators, in that while token holders earn interest and rewards. The process provides liquidity to the DeFi protocols in which their assets are staked. If the tokens are staked on a decentralized exchange, such as PancakeSwap, the liquidity providers earn a percentage of every transaction that is made on the DEX, in addition to the rewards from the liquidity provider tokens. Let us talk more about liquidity and decentralized marketplaces. Decentralized marketplaces are a fascinating use case of blockchain technology. These marketplaces allow users to deal directly with each other rather than using a centralized point of contact. Liquidity is an important aspect not only in the coin market, but also in traditional markets. In DeFi, a liquidity pool consists of tokens that are locked into a smart contract, which facilitates efficiency and low price impact while trading an asset, in turn allowing investors to earn a return on their holdings. A liquidity pool is nothing more than an automated market maker that provides liquidity to avoid large price swings for an asset. Alright, moving on. Lending has become more popular in DeFi. DeFi lending platforms offer loans without intermediaries, allowing users to enlist their crypto as collateral for lending purposes. A borrower can directly take a loan through a decentralized platform known as P2P lending or peer-to-peer lending. So, what is the difference between DeFi lending and traditional lending? Blockchain technology enables DeFi to utilize all of its unique features and performs exceptionally well compared to traditional lending, offering complete transparency with ease of access to assets without third-party censorship. No censorship means that DeFi offers an environment where there is no preferential treatment. Benefiting both lenders and borrowers, DeFi enables long-term investors to lend their assets and earn interest on them, while giving borrowers access to fiat currencies via crypto-backed loans at lower interest rates than traditional bank loans. Similar to taking a loan from a bank, a user must provide collateral. The borrower needs to offer something more valuable than the requested loan amount. If the user defaults on their loan, the collateral is then seized. The only difference between DeFi lending and bank lending is that there is no physical property used as collateral. So, in short, what are the benefits of DeFi lending? Improved loan origination speed, greater consistency in lending decisions, compliance with regulations, and analytics for process improvement and portfolio profitability. The loans are permissionless in that anyone with a crypto wallet can access DeFi applications built on blockchain. And transparency, meaning that blockchain protocols provide publicly broadcasted and user-verified networks. Decentralized finance is experiencing non-stop growth. We expect the ecosystem to grow vastly in the years to come. Stick around as we will provide you with the latest information and updates. Thank you for joining us, like this video and see you soon!